In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Maulvi Hafiz Omar, the head of the embassy of Afghanistan in Oman, meets with Sheikh Khalifa bin Ali bin Isa al-Harathi, the political deputy of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of that country. A memorandum of understanding worth nearly $214,000 has been signed between the National Disaster Management Authority and an institution for joint cooperation. And the distribution of cash, food and non-food assistance to 2,954 individuals across 11 provinces of the country. Welcome to today's news package. It's Thursday, the 1st of Rajab al-Marajab 1447, the 1st of Jadi 1404, and the 25th of December 2025. The news details. Maulvi Hafiz Omar, the head of the embassy of Afghanistan in Oman, meets with Sheikh Khalifa bin Ali bin Isa al-Harathi, the political deputy of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of that country. During the meeting, in addition to reviewing the situation in Afghanistan, the two sides discussed the expansion of political, economic, and trade relations between the two countries. His Excellency al-Harathi also assured that better consular services and necessary facilities would be provided to Afghan nationals residing in Oman. A memorandum of understanding (MOU) worth nearly $214,000 has been signed between the National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA) and an institution for joint cooperation. In accordance with the NDMA, under this agreement, the funds will be allocated to 4 development projects in the district of Dila and Joni Khail of Paktia province and Sabri, the district of Khust province. The project include the construction and rehabilitation of water canals, check dams, flood protection walls, culverts, and roads. The news continuation. Maulvi Qudratullah Jamal, the Deputy Minister for Tourism, Finance and Administration in the Ministry of Information and Culture, emphasized during the first graduation ceremony of the Tourism and Hotel Management Institute of the Ministry that graduates should, alongside fulfilling their professional duties, present a true and a positive image of Afghanistan for tourists. He also called on tourism companies to provide employment opportunities for the graduates so they can effectively represent Afghanistan. And finally, the Minister of Refugee and Repatriation announced that cash, food and non-food assistance has been distributed to 2,954 displaced, returnee, needy family and those affected by natural disaster across 11 provinces of the country. The assistance package includes cash aid, food items, blankets, tents and heaters which were distributed during the current week in the provinces of Kabul, Badakhshan, Farah, Ghor, Zabul, Jizjan, Nangarhar, Sarapur, Balkh, Badghis and Baghlan. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wishing our decent viewers Blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.